Hey Srishti, firstly thank you for having me on. Hey guys, my name is Nishtha Gehija. I am from Kota, Rajasthan and currently based out of Noida. And I am a CA. I pursued a job as an internal auditor for 5 years, and now recently I have moved from this CA wala job to full-time freelancing as a content writer, and also I am the author of 2 books and maybe many more coming up. I scored 93.6, 94% in 10th standard, and I wanted to become a neurosurgeon, but my father wanted me to pursue commerce, and since I always had this ego need in my head कि मुझे सबसे अच्छा करना है, I want to do the best. So the hardest thing to do after pursuing commerce was CA, so I went for it. On 12th June 2020 is my last working day of my last job as a CA. I had this love for writing, and it just came very, very naturally to me. There were situations when we all have those spots in our life that we wish we didn't have them, but we fortunately get them because they make us stronger. So I had those spots in my life where writing took me out of that, reading good books took me out of that, and because of that I developed good understanding of people. And while I quit that first job, during those 3 months I realized that more than telling it out to the world कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ, मुझे ये करना है, you just have to prove it to yourself, because no parent, no family member, no friend will like to tell कि इसने सीए छोड़ दिया और अभी लिखने लग गई है. Of course not. Everyone, no parents. In fact, my sisters have become parents now, and they never say कि मेरा बच्चा बड़ा होके content writer बनेगा, मेरा बच्चा बड़ा होके writer, author बनेगा. No parents think of that, and maybe no parents will ever think of that. We really need to think of it कि none of us is going to die of poverty or hunger. None of us is going to run naked on the roads because of not having money. However, most of us die every single day because of saying yes ma'am and no ma'am, yes sir and no sir to people whom we hate, listening to these shitty talks of people we hate, getting marked as reply all on a mail that we wish we could bang the laptop on their heads, and then we wonder that why are we so unhappy? We are so unhappy because every single day we sign up to murder our own selves. That is what I have decided not to do to myself. About coming to the family thing, they had no choice other than to accept it. At the end of the day, it's like you don't have to convince them. It's like you live your life, you just do what feels right to you, and at the end of the day, they know that they are your parents, they are your family. They can feel when you are happy and when you are not. And when they have seen an example of you not being happy for the last 5 years, the best thing you can do is be happy for the upcoming 50, 15, 40, whatever years you have, because to die is to live daily. That's what I'm trying to do. First, most of us do not want to be engineers, doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, etc. However, most of us do it for the sake of being liked by others, for the sake because we don't have any other option. I have my cousins, my friends, younger siblings telling me I don't like this thing, but I have to do this because etc, etc, etc. I want to do my startup and everything, and I want to quit my college and everything else. So my question to them is that college does not suck 16 hours of your day. You always have time. So what's stopping you from having your startup while in college? What's stopping you from doing your side business along with everything else that you're doing? I took another job, and it was a job that was less demanding, but at the same time it gave me time to write, it gave me time to do freelancing, and then now I'm switching over to full-time. And one thing I would like to tell you that no one's graph would look exactly the same. Srishti's graph would look different from mine if some of our common friends have a different graph, and that is how life is supposed to be. Do what feels right to you, but make the most use of your time. We all know that Netflix, Amazon Prime take away a lot of time. Just don't go into doing, just think why you do something, and then switch to doing and doing and doing and thinking and doing and thinking and doing, and you'll find what you're looking for. That's it.